Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. First, launch your Instagram app in your mobile device. And from here on the bottom right corner, there's your profile icon. Tap on that. And on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Select that. And over here, you have to select the settings and privacy options on the top. And from here, you have to go to the account center and scroll a bit down, and under the account setting, you have to tap on your information and permissions. And on the bottom, you could see there's an account ownership and control option. Select that. And we have two options. On the second option, we could see there's an option for deactivation or deletion. Choose that and choose the account you want to deactivate. And just like this. And after that, you have the option to continue on the bottom. And in order to further the process, you have to type down your current password and tap on the continue. But if you have forgotten your password, on the bottom here, we could see the forgot password option as well. You can simply tap there as well if you have forgotten or lost access to your password. And after that, an option like this will show, and you have to choose. You can choose anyone, pick any of the reasons, or if you do not have any reasons from the screen, you can simply tap on the bottom option of something else if you want, and then tap on the continue after that, and tap on the deactivate account in order to confirm the temporary account deactivation. And now it's logging out, and in order to deactivate, and here we can see we just deactivated our Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more